Hi everybody, this is Eustace Leon Greaves Jr. of Bridge Insurance Agency and Greaves Financial Services. I was just out here today for my walk and I see the new city program where the city is supposed to be replacing sidewalks affected by errant tree roots is in process here in Midwood Estates and Fisk Terrace. This is an example of what it looks like when tree roots destroy the sidewalk. And just giving you a long shot down the road now, looking toward East 17th Street, you see that these trees have destroyed major portions of the sidewalk, and the workmen have dug up the sidewalk, and they'll be laying a new sidewalk again at the city's expense. This will prevent lawsuits and things of that nature. So if you have a sidewalk where city trees are destroying it, lifting the sidewalk, cracking the sidewalk, give the city a call. Let them come out and take care of it for you. All right, this is Eustace Leon Greaves Jr., 718-489-2218, Eustace at insurelyeg.com. Take care, and I'll keep you updated as the neighborhood gets more work done. Bye-bye.